Welcome back, folks. Are you tired of the hassle that comes with cleaning your hardwood floors and marble surfaces? Well, we've got the perfect solution for you. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best cordless electric lightweight mops, specifically designed for hardwood floors and marble cleaning. Get ready to say goodbye to those strenuous cleaning sessions and hello to effortless sparkle. Number 5. ECAL Cordless Electric Mop. The ECAL Cordless Electric Mop was recently put to the test by a satisfied customer, and it proved to be a game-changer in terms of floor cleaning. This innovative mop offers a range of features that make the cleaning process effortless and efficient. One of the standout features of the ECAL Cordless Electric Mop is its lightweight design, which allows users to maneuver around their homes with ease. The mop's swivel head ensures smooth gliding and enables cleaning in hard-to-reach areas, such as under furniture and around corners. With this mop, there is no need to strain one's back while mopping, making it a convenient choice. Another impressive aspect of this mop is its exceptional battery life. With a running time of 60 minutes, users can clean their entire homes without interruptions or the need to recharge. This extended battery life ensures that the mop maintains consistent power throughout the cleaning process, delivering reliable performance. The ECAL Cordless Electric Mop boasts 2 water tanks, a design that stands out for its convenience and efficiency. One tank is dedicated to clean water, while the other collects dirty water. This separation prevents cross-contamination, ensuring thorough floor cleaning. The tanks are easy to fill and empty, saving users time and effort. A noteworthy feature that sets this mop apart is its self-cleaning function. After each use, the mop can be placed on its charging base, which automatically cleans the mop head, removing any dirt or debris. This feature ensures the mop remains hygienic and saves users from the hassle of manually cleaning the mop head after each use. The self-cleaning function offers convenience and ease of maintenance. When it comes to performance, the ECAL Cordless Electric Mop excels in both wet and dry cleaning. The mop effectively removes dirt, stains, and spills, leaving floors spotless. Its microfiber mop pads are highly absorbent and efficiently trap dirt particles. Additionally, the mop pads are machine washable, making them reusable and environmentally friendly. Overall, customers are extremely impressed with the ECAL Cordless Electric Mop. Its lightweight design, long battery life, dual water tanks, and self-cleaning function make it a standout cleaning tool for those seeking a hassle-free, efficient, and effective way to clean their floors. This mop comes highly recommended. It has certainly made floor cleaning routines much easier and more enjoyable for satisfied customers. If you want to order this wonderful product, click on the link given in the description of the video. Up next, Number 4. Bissell 2554 Crosswave Cordless Max All-in-One Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The Bissell Vacuum Cleaner. This innovative product combines the functionality of a vacuum cleaner and a mop, revolutionizing the cleaning routine. Here's an in-depth review of the game-changing Bissell 2554 Crosswave Cordless Max. The cordless design of the Bissell 2554 Crosswave Max has been highly praised for its convenience and flexibility. Users can effortlessly clean every corner of their homes without being restricted by cords. The impressive battery life ensures ample cleaning time before requiring a recharge, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords and limitations often associated with corded devices. The suction power of the Bissell 2554 Crosswave Cordless Max is commendable, effortlessly picking up various types of debris, including pet hair and dust bunnies. The dual-action brush roll effectively vacuums and washes the floors simultaneously, saving users time and effort. Its powerful suction ensures the extraction of dirty water, leaving floors clean and dry. This feature sets the Bissell 2554 apart from traditional mops. Versatility is another outstanding feature of the Crosswave Cordless Max, specifically designed for hard floors such as sealed wood, tiles, laminate, and linoleum. Users can effortlessly switch between cleaning modes with a simple button press. This adaptability makes the Bissell 2554 a versatile tool for households with different flooring types. The Bissell 2554 Crosswave Cordless Max is not only efficient but also user-friendly and easy to maintain. Its intuitive design caters to users of all technical backgrounds. The clean-out tray is easily removable and cleanable, and the brush roll is easily accessible for maintenance. Bissell has taken care to ensure that keeping the Crosswave Cordless Max in optimal condition is a hassle-free experience. The appliance's compact and lightweight design enhances maneuverability around furniture and in tight spaces. Users no longer need to struggle with heavy buckets of water or juggle multiple cleaning tools. The Bissell 2554 simplifies cleaning routines, making them more efficient and allowing users to spend more time enjoying clean floors. Additionally, the Bissell 2554 Crosswave Cordless Max operates at a relatively low noise level compared to traditional vacuum cleaners, earning further praise. This feature enables users to clean without disturbing others in the household or worrying about waking up a sleeping baby. The reduced noise level demonstrates Bissell's commitment to providing a superior cleaning experience. In summary, the Bissell 2554 Crosswave Cordless Max All-in-One Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop is a game-changer for households with hard floors. Its cordless design, powerful suction, versatility, and user-friendly interface make it an essential cleaning tool. Users appreciate the simplified and enhanced cleaning routines, which result in impeccably clean floors while saving valuable time and effort. The Bissell 2554 comes highly recommended for those seeking a reliable and efficient solution for their hard floors. If you want to order this wonderful product, click on the link given in the description of the video. Up next, Number 3. Simwell F1 Wet Dry Cleaner. The Simwell S1 Wet Dry Cleaner has received high praise from users, showcasing its exceptional performance and convenience. This cordless floor cleaner has quickly become an essential tool for those who prioritize cleanliness and tidiness in their living spaces. The cordless design of the S1 is a standout feature, providing users with unparalleled convenience and freedom of movement during cleaning sessions. With no cords to worry about, users can effortlessly navigate around furniture and reach tight corners with ease. The lightweight construction adds to its maneuverability, making it a breeze to use. One of the notable strengths of the Simwell F1 is its versatility in handling both wet and dry messes. It effortlessly tackles spills, pet accidents, and dust and debris thanks to its powerful suction. Users have been particularly impressed with its ability to effectively clean sticky messes on hardwood floors and carpets without leaving any residue behind. The waste container capacity of the S1 is another standout feature. Its generous size allows it to hold a significant amount of dirt and liquid, reducing the need for frequent emptying during extended cleaning sessions. The waste container is easy to remove and clean, ensuring hygienic maintenance of the device. Operating the S1 is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls. Switching between wet and dry modes is simple, and the device provides clear indicators for battery recharge and waste container emptying. Speaking of battery life, users have found it to be more than sufficient for their needs, providing an impressive runtime for cleaning multiple rooms. The build quality of the Simwell S1 is highly praised, as it feels sturdy and durable, capable of withstanding regular use. The inclusion of various brush attachments and a crevice tool adds to its versatility, making it suitable for different surfaces and cleaning tasks. While the S1 performs admirably, some users have noted that it can be slightly noisy during operation, especially on higher suction settings. However, given its exceptional performance and convenience, this minor downside is easily overlooked. In conclusion, the Simwell F1 Wet Dry Cleaner is a remarkable cordless floor cleaner that effortlessly handles sticky messes and waste. Its versatility, powerful suction, user-friendly design, and sturdy build quality make it a must-have for individuals who value efficiency and cleanliness in their homes. With its impressive features and performance, the S1 comes highly recommended for those seeking a reliable cleaning solution. If you want to order this wonderful product, click on the link given in the description of the video. Up next, Number 2. DreamAttack Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The DreamAttack Cordless Vacuum Cleaner has left a lasting impression on users with its exceptional performance. Featuring a powerful 22 kPa suction, this vacuum cleaner has become a game-changer in many households. The cordless design of the vacuum cleaner is a standout feature, providing users with the freedom to move around without the constraints of cords. This feature enhances convenience and makes it effortless to clean every nook and cranny of a home. The absence of cords eliminates the hassle of untangling and maneuvering, resulting in a hassle-free cleaning experience. The 22 kPa powerful suction is one of the standout aspects of the 10 Pro model. It effortlessly removes dust, dirt, and debris from a variety of surfaces including hardwood floors, carpets, and upholstery. Users have been particularly impressed with its ability to tackle stubborn pet hair, a challenge faced by many in the past. The vacuum suction power easily lifts hair from carpets and upholstery, leaving them clean and fur-free. Versatility is another notable feature of the 10 Pro model. It comes with a range of attachments and accessories to cater to different cleaning needs. The crevice tool allows users to reach tight spaces such as corners and gaps between furniture, while the brush attachment proves effective on delicate surfaces. Additionally, the motorized brush roll is highly efficient in deep cleaning carpets and rugs. Usability is a key aspect of the 10 Pro vacuum cleaner. Its user-friendly design and intuitive controls, conveniently located on the handle, allow users to switch between power modes with ease. The dustbin is simple to empty and clean, ensuring a hygienic cleaning experience. Battery life is always a concern with cordless vacuum cleaners, but the 10 Pro addresses this issue impressively. It provides a decent runtime, allowing users to clean multiple rooms without needing to recharge. The battery indicator on the device keeps users informed about the remaining power, ensuring that they never run out of charge unexpectedly. The overall build quality of the 10 Pro is sturdy and durable, instilling confidence in its longevity. The vacuum cleaner boasts a sleek and modern design, with its compact size making it easy to store. The inclusion of a wall-mounted charging dock adds to the convenience and accessibility of the product. If there were any minor drawbacks, users have noted that the 10 Pro might feel slightly heavy during prolonged cleaning sessions. However, the weight is not excessive and the vacuum's exceptional performance more than compensates for it. In conclusion, the DreamTech Cordless Vacuum Cleaner 10 Pro model, with its powerful 22 kPa suction, has proven to be an exceptional cleaning tool. Its cordless operation, impressive suction power, versatility, user-friendly design, and robust build quality have made it an indispensable part of many households' cleaning routines. For those in search of a reliable and efficient cordless vacuum cleaner, the 10 Pro comes highly recommended. If you want to order this wonderful product, click on the link given in the description of the video. Up next, Number 1. Tosima H1 Smart Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The Tosima H1 Smart Vacuum Cleaner and Mop has emerged as a game-changer in the realm of cleaning appliances. With its array of innovative features and impressive performance, this all-in-one cleaning marvel has transformed the cleaning routines of countless households. This review will explore the key attributes that make the Tosima H1 an exceptional addition to any home. The Tosima H1 boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, allowing for effortless maneuverability in tight spaces and across various floor surfaces. Its lightweight construction ensures easy handling, enabling extended cleaning sessions without causing fatigue. The appliance's solid build quality is evident, with durable materials that inspire confidence in its longevity. One of the standout features of the Tosima H1 is its remarkable versatility, functioning both as a vacuum cleaner and a mop. It eliminates the need for multiple cleaning tools. The vacuum mode efficiently sucks up dust, pet hair, and debris from carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles, leaving them spotless. Transitioning to the mop mode is seamless, and the microfiber mop pad effectively cleans and polishes the floors, leaving them gleaming and free from residue. Equipped with smart technology, the Tosima H1 takes cleaning to new heights. Integrated sensors automatically detect the floor type and adjust the suction power accordingly, ensuring optimal cleaning performance on any surface. The intelligent mapping system enables the device to navigate and clean efficiently, skillfully avoiding obstacles and mapping out clean areas. With its smart memory function, the Tosima H1 can resume cleaning from where it left off in the event of any interruptions. The Tosima H1 delivers truly impressive cleaning performance. Its vacuum cleaner features powerful suction, effectively capturing dust, dirt, and even larger debris. The wet mop function excels at leaving floors impeccably clean, devoid of excess water or streaks. The combination of these features results in a thorough and efficient cleaning experience that surpasses traditional cleaning methods. The Tosima H1 boasts commendable battery life. When fully charged, it provides ample power to clean a substantial area before requiring a recharge. The included docking station simplifies the charging process, and the device automatically returns to the dock when the battery is low, ensuring it remains prepared for the next cleaning session. The Tosima H1 Smart Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop represents a revolutionary cleaning appliance that lives up to its promises. Its versatility, smart features, and exceptional cleaning performance position it a must-have for any household. With the Tosima H1, cleaning becomes an effortless and efficient task, allowing homeowners to revel in a pristine living space with minimal effort. Highly recommended. If you want to order this wonderful product, click on the link given in the description of the video. There you have it, folks, our top 5 best cordless electric lightweight mops for hardwood floors and marble cleaning. Whether you're a cleaning enthusiast or just want to simplify your household chores, these mops are the perfect companions for achieving spotless, gleaming surfaces. So, what are you waiting for? Grab one of these fantastic mops and let the cleaning magic begin.